is Shannon, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to call this video, but I'm pretty much kind of, I don't want to say decluttering because I'm not really getting rid of anything, but I am going through like my makeup that I have in my bathroom, because a lot of it I usually keep like my everyday makeup in there, and I don't use most of it that is in there. So I want to go through it and figure out what I need to move back to my room, so that when I decide to use it, it's there, but it's not my way all the time. Because like this is the main thing I keep my makeup in my bathroom, and as you can see, it's like overflowing. And then I also have this full thing as well. So I like to organize it better, figure out what I need in there and what I don't, and get more organized with it, I guess. I'm in my living room. Well, I'm like, my computer's over that way, but I'm over here because I need more room to spread out, and I don't have room at my computer. So and like I wouldn't have any lighting either way because it's so dreary and dark outside. It's going to storm. We're having some really bad storms lately, and they're not fun. So yeah, sorry about the lighting. I tried to set up like a little light in front of me, but it didn't really work too well. It kept falling and stuff, so I apologize for that. But let's just get into this. I think I'm going to start with this bag, and I kind of want to keep this in there, but keep like my palettes in there. So the palettes that I do use most often and stuff. So I'm just going to empty what's in here, because I know a lot of what is in here I don't use a lot. And that will be a start of like for organizing and stuff. So alright, I'm just gonna empty it all on my floor. Should have put a towel down first probably. Alright, so let's start with this. I just got this. It's from Physicians Formula. It's their new Butter Collection palette. It's limited edition. I am loving this, so this is definitely staying, so I'm going to pop it in there. This I love also. Is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, so that's going to stay. This one can go to my room. I haven't really used it at all, if I'm honest. It's the Naked Smoky palette from Urban Decay, so it can go to my room. This can also go to my room. It's the Perfusion Glitter and Glam Complete Brow Kit. I don't use it very much, but it is really good like for me to have in my kit. This is my Everyday Brow Kit by BYS. So that can stay, but I don't think I'm going to put it in here because I want to keep my bigger palettes in here. This one I haven't been using lately. It's the Real Her Do Your Squats No. 2 Shadow Palette. So I'm going to move this one to my room. This one can also go. It's from Dulce, I think is how you say it. And it's their Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. It's really good. I just don't reach for it very much. This can also go to my room. It's the, I think it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah. And it's their Contour Cream Kit in Fair. I don't use cream contour in the summer, so this can also stay. It's the Morphe 35N palette. Love this. So it's good. I'm doing real good. Alright. Let's see. Here's another palette. I haven't been using this one lately either. I've been using my Avon palette, which it's over by my computer, because I just did a tutorial. So it'll go in here as well. This is the Modern Renaissance palette. Haven't been using it lately. So it can go out to my room. This is just trash, so that's a different pile. This I haven't used in a long time. It's the Elizabeth Arden little Sunset Bronze Prismatic Bronzing Powder. So this one can go to my room. I actually lost it for a good while. Let's see. This one can go to my room. It's from Perfusion. It's their D Beauty little palette. Alright, this one I'll keep in here. It's the Anastasia Contour Kit in Tan to Deep. Really like this one. so it can stay in here as well. This one can go. It's from Wet n Wild. It's their comfort zone. So these are just going to my room. I'm not decluttering them as well. I think I said that, but this can stay. I tried this for something, I forget. It wasn't a sale Saturday, it was something else, but alright. I don't think there's really any more palettes, but we'll get to them if there is. I think also I'm going to put like some foundations maybe. No, I'm just going to put like little other things in here as well, like my blushes. This blush and this blush and this blush I love. So this is from Dirty Little Secret, and then there's two Tarte ones in Feisty and Party. These are three of my favorites. So these can go in here that I'll keep using. I am going to put my brow powder in here. I changed my mind. This one can go to my room. I haven't been using it lately. It's a brow palette from CoverGirl. This one I'm going to keep because I haven't decided if I like it. I'm going to keep it in here. I'm going to keep all my eyeliners in there. I have like 3 that I've been using. The Nano liner from Absolute New York. This is the Ciate London Fierce Flicks, and this is from Maybelline. I forget what it is. It's almost gone though. This one can go to my room. It's a little lipstick from LA Colors. I don't use it very much. This one I'll keep because I don't have many red lipsticks in here. So this is the Wet n Wild lipstick catsuit thing. I really like it. It's a really nice formula. This one from Ofra can stay. This one I like from Hoola. I have 2 of these though. So this one is the new one, so I'm going to put it away. My beauty blender will stay, and my powder, obviously. This one can go. I don't use it very much. It's the NYC. Actually, I might declutter this because I never use this, so it can go over there to be decluttered. This is just trash. This is a nude lipstick from Too Faced that I haven't used very much of, and Sweet Maple. I'm going to put this one in my room. This one from Maybelline is a mascara. It's the Rocket Ship. I'm going to use it up. This one can go to my room because I won't use it on an everyday basis. So this one can stay. It's a Lorac lipstick and lip gloss. This can go to my room. It's from Kat Von D. It's in Vampira. It's not really a spring or summer shade, so this can go to my room. I never use it. This one I've been loving lately from CoverGirl. It's their there's no name on it, but I like it. These 2 can go to my room. Well, I'll keep one of them. I'll keep this one, and this one can go to my room. The Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I have 2 of them. I'm not a big fan of them though. This one I'm going to keep and use up. The Benefit Gimme Brow. This I always just keep in here in case I need it to like dilute one of my foundations or something. This is the Tarte Maracuja oil. It's also really good for your skin, like just to hydrate it. This is a Jeffree Star lipstick. I don't know the color though. It's not on here. So it's going to go to my room because I don't use it very much. This Manna Lip Locked gloss, I guess, and Lucky I really like, so it can stay. This one I'm trying to use up so it can stay. This Wonder Wand mascara. This, my Dulce K, can get in my room. What are you? You're empty. So you can go in the trash. This Luna lip crayon I haven't been using lately, so it can go to my room. This is almost used up, so I'll keep it in here. The Smashbox in the light. What are you? The BB cream. These two can go to my room. This is a Milani lip pencil and a Cativa eye pencil. I don't use them very much. This is empty. It's a little foundation sample. I'm sorry, I'm getting the hiccups. I'm going to try to get everything I'm keeping in this bag, I think. Let's see. Foundations. This one can stay from Maybelline. It's my favorite. It's the 24-hour Super Stay. These two are pretty much empty, so they can probably go. This one from Milani, I'll keep. And this one from Maybelline, I'll keep as well. These two can go to my room. The Kat Von D and a CoverGirl one. There's a highlighter in here, but it's all broken, so I don't want to pick it up, but it can go to my room. Oh, there's my Lash Glow. It can stay. My Bye Bye Under Eye can stay. The brush just saw underneath there. This mascara can stay from Urban Decay, the Perversion one. This Tarte bronzer, I love. It can stay in here. This is getting really stuffed. Half of them fell. I can't get anything in. Oh my gosh. Okay. This one can also go. That's another little what thing. I forget what it's called. This is another one of these bronzers. It can go to my room because it's an extra. This can stay. It's the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip. I love it. The shadow primer I'm going to try to use up from Smashbox Beauty Blender. Can go over there. Color You. This, I don't know the brand of this lipstick, but it can go to my room. This ColourPop little shadow, I don't use it very often, so it can go to my room. That's trash. That's trash. These are trash. Yeah. You are trash. I have a lot of trash in here. I just realized. It's hydrating. Eye primer can stay. I'm going to use it up. Another Beauty Blender. My concealer that I love. It can stay. This from Beauty Basics, this little eyeshadow, it can go to my room. I'm not going to use that every day. This can go, the Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil. I don't use it very much. This Maybelline concealer, I'll also keep. These two lipsticks can go. There's another Beauty Blender. Finding all my lost Beauty Blenders. This Maybelline lip can go. This Stila one, I've never used, I don't think. This perfume can go as well. I have another one in my room that I'm loving. So I don't even know what this is. It's like a liquid eyeshadow. It can go. That's trash. There's a red lipstick. It can go. This is a eyeshadow brush. It doesn't even go in here. This can go to my room. The Glam Glow moisturizer. Alright. This smudge stick from Skin can go to my room. Trash. This can go to my room. It's a little mascara swirly thing. Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. It can go to my room because I haven't used it in a long time. This little red lipstick from Tristique. It can go. This is empty. Yeah. So it can go in empties. Right, let's see. What else we got? That's trash. This is trash. I have a lot of trash. I haven't cleaned this out forever. This Makeup Forever eyeshadow is really dark. It can go in my room because I'm not going to use it. This Tarteist lip paint I love, so it can stay. This Fine Botanics little blush I love. It can stay. This needs to go in my Secret Saturday box. This needs to just be trashed because it's so old. This can go to my room. It's a little Almay eyeshadow. This is my Hoola bronzer that I love. It can stay. And this little brush, which will go in my brush thing. This brow mascara, I'll try to use that from Maybelline. It's almost gone. That's something, I don't know. That's a perfume. And another Absolute New York Nano Liner. Okay, so that's it. Everything in here. I was able to fit it all in this bag. So I'm happy about that. There's a lot here. I'll show you what I'm moving. Can you see it all? All this is going someplace else. This other thing, can you see it? Is like empty, like trash. And then I got everything else in this little tub. So I feel like I did really good downsizing. My powder can go in there too. And that. So I feel like I did really good. I downsized a lot, and that'll actually save space since I can get this off my counter and just have this, you know. So I just thought this would be a fun video to film. Sorry, it was like I talked really fast and stuff. I had a lot to go through, and sometimes my camera likes to cut out with longer videos, so I wanted to hurry and get it done. If you guys liked this, I might do this again, like organizing all my makeup and stuff. I want to do, once I get my bathroom set up, I want to do like a bathroom tour. So if you want to see that, let me know. Or if you have any other videos you'd like to see, let me know. And I think that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!